What's going on, YouTube? Well, I'm on kind of a vacation, just kind of getting away from everything. And my sister's valve cover was leaking, so I figured I'd fix it, and also her oil pan, and pretty much every seal in this thing. Well, anyhow, this thing's got like 160 something, 180 something thousand miles on it. Should have plenty of life left in it, but somebody didn't change the oil, and my sister got it used, so I'm assuming the previous owner like never changed their oil. And this sludge is what creates when you don't change your own oil and the engine gets hot too many times. And I mean, it is just lava. It's, yeah. So, anyhow, basically, where I'm at is this thing is not going to be fixable without re-ringing it because it smokes and everything else. And yeah, it's just, no, it's just not going to happen. So I'm going to put the valve cover back on it, and then if you can sell it or give it away to charity or whatever. Because it's just, to her, it's just not really worth putting all the money in to fix it and build a new engine and stuff. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys, this is why you change your oil religiously and use good oil and good synthetics. Because, yeah, this is the kind of shit that just destroys these engines. And I mean, these things can't be killed by conventional means generally, but not changing your oil, engines running more too hot, too often, too long, and it just builds this shit up. And then then the oil can't get back down into the crankcase in any kind of a timely manner, and it just creates this sludgy, nasty horror. And I mean, you can use engine, stuff to clean this shit out, blah 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 blah. But all it does is just put that shit in your crankcase and winds up building up in your oil pan. And a lot of times the motor will just go to shit when you do that because the sludge is the only thing holding it together. So I mean, Jeep world, hey, put the valve cover gasket back in it, and just check your oil every time you fill it up with gas. But this thing just pissing oil out the rear main seal and front main seal and everywhere. I mean, it's spraying on the hood. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's beyond all hope. I mean, yeah. But anyhow, just thought I would share that with you. Change your oil, change it often when you need to. Put good stuff in it. Make your engine last forever. Anyhow, see you guys on the next one.